Oh no, Reagan. We're late for a video.
Oh, we gotta go! Hi, I'm Reagan, and this is Taylin. Welcome to our cooking show.
That doesn't sound right.
We're not chefs. We're here to actually talk about kitchen safety and how to make sure that you don't get injured in the kitchen.
Whoa, Reagan. You can't just leave things when you're cooking them.
Well, why not, Taylin?
They can burn. You have to watch in case anything happens. And you can't just leave the handles out. You're supposed to turn them in. What if somebody walks by and hits it?
You're right, that's probably not the safest option.
No.
Okay, I won't do that again.
So Reagan, what did you learn?
Well, Taylin, I now know that I will never leave food unattended when I'm cooking it because it could catch on fire. And I don't want to leave the handle sticking out because my dog or my little sister could come and hurt themselves, so I have to make sure I turn that in.
For any questions you have, you can go to the link below for more prevention tips.
See you in the next video.